Of course, there are a few other goodies tucked away in this release, but some of them are quite difficult to show. So let's have a look at what they are. And I'm going to use the new presentation mode for this movie. So, first of the goodies is external GPU support on the Mac platform. So if you've got one of those super funky black magic thingies, for example, plugged into your machine, then Illustrator can use that, which is kind of awesome. There's also some improvements in zooming. So what Illustrator does is creates an image while you're zooming to make the experience smoother, and then it just goes back to being the vectors. So it's like doing what's called a runtime bitmap almost, in that it replaces it with a picture just while you're zooming and then takes it back to your vectors from there. And finally, there's an improved Adobe stock experience when you're bringing in an image and licensing it. Now, I don't have a subscription on this machine, but I'll give you an idea of how this works here. If I go to my library here and I'll search on mountains like so, and some nice pictures in here and images. So if I drag down a bit and maybe I'll pick up this one just here. So if I hover over the license and click on the license and save to my library button, you'll see now in the panel I get a visual representation of that rather than just the file name here, which is very, very useful because there have been reports of the odd erroneous purchase, of course, by just going with a name. So now there's no mistaking what you're actually getting just there.